Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet an oak leaf. For this pattern, you'll just need to know how to do a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do a treble crochet. So to get started, we are going to chain 4. And in the last chain of that, we are going to work our first treble crochet. Then we will chain 3, turn our work, and we will work another treble crochet in the next stitch. Then we will again turn our work, chain 3, and we're going to work a treble crochet in the next stitch, followed by working a treble crochet in the chain 3 space from the row below. Then we are going to turn our work and we are going to chain 6. And in the third chain from the hook, we are going to work a treble crochet, followed by working 6 more treble crochets down the row. And the last treble crochet for this row will actually be in the chain 3 space from the row below. Next, we are going to turn our work. We are going to chain 6. We're going to chain 6. And in the third chain from the hook, we are going to work a treble crochet, followed by treble crocheting in the next 7 stitches. And this is setting up for a foundation repeat, so we are going to end up repeating this 4 more times. So if you want to skip to farther on in the video, you are welcome to, or you can just hang out with me while I explain the rows again. So we're going to leave these last few stitches unworked. And we are going to turn our work and we are going to chain 6. And in the third chain from the hook, we are going to work a treble crochet. Then we will work 7 treble crochets down the row. And just like the row previous, we are going to leave the remaining stitches of our work undone. That way we can create this beautiful oak leaf design. Next, we are going to turn our work and we are going to chain 6. Then in the third chain from the hook, we are going to work a treble crochet, followed by working 7 treble crochets in the next 7 stitches. All right, 2 more leaves to go. We're going to chain 6. And in the third chain from the hook, we are going to work a treble crochet, followed by working 7 treble crochets down the row. All right, we are on our last leaf. So we are going to chain 6. And in the third chain from the hook, we are going to work a treble crochet, followed by working 7 treble crochets down the row. It really is a lot of back and forth with this, but oak leaves aren't really that complicated for a simple crochet pattern, so alright, now that we have our 6 leaves, let's go ahead and finish this off. We are going to chain 3, and we are going to work 3 treble crochets. Next, we are going to turn our work, chain 3, and we are going to work a 3 treble crochet together. So that means that we're working 3 treble crochets into 1 stitch, and you pull through, and there you have it. That is how you crochet an oak leaf. It's a little repetitive, but it ends up creating a beautiful project. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.